In a previous part, we studied about locating place with the help of parallels and meridians. In today's session, we are going to get acquainted with some important parallels and meridians. Considering the parallels, there are total 5 important parallels on the globe. These 5 parallels work as the distributors of the temperature in different regions. The very first important parallel is the equator, which is measured as 0 degree. The equator is a parallel which gets most of the heat from the sun. Since the surface of the earth is curved and the equatorial part comes forward than other surfaces, it receives straight sun rays. This results into having hot temperature on the equatorial portion. That is why the regions laying on the equatorial portion have hotness. The next parallels are the 23 degree 30 minute north parallel and 23 degree 30 minute south parallels. Now on the globe, the places between these two parallels, that is the 23 degree 30 minute north parallel and 23 degree 30 minute south parallel, they receive perpendicular sun rays, that is the exact sun rays, straight sun rays for 2 days in a year, while other areas of the earth never get perpendicular sun rays. The 23 degree 30 minute north parallel is known to be the Tropic of Cancer, and the 23 degree 30 minute south parallel is known as Tropic of Capricorn. Moving forward to the next important parallels, they are 66 degree 30 minute north and 66 degree 30 minute south parallels. The names of these parallels would be 66 degree 30 minute north parallel is the Arctic Circle and 66 degree 30 minute south parallel is the Antarctic Circle. Now, the regions between these two parallels, there is a 24-hour date format throughout a year. That is, each day in a year has daytime of 24 hours. Most of the changes in the season occur in these regions. Now, from the Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle to the poles, daytime can be greater than 24 hours because the sun rays are slanting. That is, these regions do not get straight sunlight. This is because the regions are far away from the sun as compared to the regions between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. In this region, the maximum duration of the sun's appearance in the sky can be of 6 months based on seasons. Since these regions have slant sun rays, it appears that the heat received is low. This results into cool temperature in the polar regions. That is why accumulation of ice is seen in this area. Due to difference in the sun rays in the regions, according to the parallels, different temperature zones are formed on the earth. This gives rise to pressure belts. Also, the variations in the intensity of sunlight leads to regional diversity in plant and animal life. This was all about the important parallels on the earth. Moving forward, we are going to study the important meridians. The important meridians are the 0 degree longitude and the 180 degree longitude. The 0 degree longitude, that is the prime meridian, works to fix the global standard time and also coordinate the standard times of different countries. Talking with reference to the standard time of different countries, the 0 degree prime meridian is known as Greenwich meridian and global standard time is known as GMT, meaning Greenwich Mean Time. Next is the 180 degree meridian. With the help of this meridian, international date line is marked. This was all about our second chapter. Here we complete a second chapter, that is, let us use graticule.